after using the back. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul. What a save! Fast break left. It's good. Immigration after by one first after using the back. After using the back. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul.
Good afternoon, basketball fans, and we welcome you to the Game 1 of our Bucal Season 4 Finals. It's a matchup between the NCF Tigers and ACC Green Serpents. Ako po si John Russell A. Senora at kasama ko ngayon si David Joshua Bernales para maghatid sa inyo ng kaabang-abang ng matchup na ating Game 1 sa ating Bucal Season 4 Finals. Burns, kamusta ka?
Mabuti naman partner, and syempre partner, live tayo dito sa ating UNC Sports Palace. Syempre para sa first game, ACC, NCF, grabe, napakapuno na netong ating Sports Palace. And partner, isa pa, marami pang nakapila sa labas.
Ang rami, napakahaba pa ng pila sa labas ng ating UNC Sports Palace.
Partner, yung ambience dito, grabe. Yung intensity, hindi pa nagsisimula yung laro. Grabe na. Mga fans pa lang, makikita mo sa ating mga, dyan sa ating live feed, sa ating Facebook pages, ang dami na ng tao. And hinahype up pa ng mga ating table of officials, yung mga, fans. Grabe.
Ito na. Dalawa yung dala. Parehas ng ating team. May banda sila parehas. At ang rami ng supporters from the ACC.
Yan.
All the way from Tabaco, Albay.
And
ayun, shout out sa ating live audience dito sa UNC Sports Palace. Umuulan ng green.
And syempre partner, wag din natin kakalimutan yung mga audiences natin na nanonood sa ating mga Facebook pages. Sa GNTV-48, sa ating Bucal Facebook page. And syempre, maraming salamat sa GNN Sports TV for making our Bucal Season 4 possible with our live dito sa ating Sports
Of course,
Palace
this
ngayon.
is powered by Converge ICT Solution. Maraming salamat po.
And partner, no? Marami ng tao dito. Pero yun nga, kagaya nga ng sabi ko, may nagsisipasukan pa dito sa ating Sports Palace. Grabe yung ating
Ayun.
Mga tao.
Sa ating wide camera lens, makikita natin punong-puno ang side ng ating NCF Tigers at sa kabila naman ang ACC Green Serpents.
And pero partner, no, hindi pa naman magsimula yung ating game. Titake muna tayo ng short commercial break and then after, pagbalik natin, tsaka natin sisimulan ang game 1 ng ating championship game between the NCF Tigers and ACC Green Serpents. So, this is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot! Fast break layup. It's good. Demonstration after by one shortstopper using the bat. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. What a
At ayun na nga, nagbabalik po kami live dito sa UNC Sports Palace para sa Game 1 ng ating Bucal Season 4 Finals. At masasaksihan natin, let's welcome our players from the NCF Tigers.
Siyempre partner, siyempre hindi mawawala ang entrance sa ating championship game, yung mascot ng ating NCF Tigers.
Of course, kaabang-abang after several weeks of the elimination knockout games of the quarterfinals and semifinals. At last, andito na tayo sa ating championship game. Ayun, ACC ang unang papasok.
And ayan na partner, isa-isa na pumapasok ang mga players ng ating AMANDO College. First time nila, and today, in the 4 seasons of Bucal Season 4, first time silang magpa-participate sa ating championship games. And ayan, nakikita natin, ina-announce ni Coach Apple yung mga players ng AMANDO College making their way to make history dito sa Bucal Season 4 para sa kanilang school.
We have jersey number 12, Septo. Jersey number 19, Batyam. Jersey number 23, Acabado. Jersey number 21, Basaysay. Jersey number 2, Nagar. Number 5, number 15, number 0, and number 18, Coronejo. And number 24, Bona Obra, with the head coach, Coach George Alter Verses, and his assistant coach, John Renier Rodriguez.
And syempre partner, no, due to the technical fouls na nangyari nung semifinals match, yung isang player ng ACC na si Sakolo will not be able to play in game 1 ng ating matchup na ito.
Yes.
And ayan partner, no, kakatapos pa lang na-introduce ng mga players nandito sa ating harapan ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, sobrang excited na ng fans ng ACC. Pero partner, malapit na papasukin ang defending champions ng Bucal since season 1, ang NCF Tigers. Ayan, nakikita natin ang mascot nila. And syempre, pinakaunang papasok yung mascot ng ating NCF Tigers. Syempre, number 17, papasok si Mase. Justin San Gabriel. Si number 3, Asibor Julard. William Arenzana, number 10. Number 14, Templo Nuevo. 19, si Rivera. Number 24, si Masinas. 27, Catamora. Number 5, yung team captain, si Alexander Lim. Number 13, si Vincent Malyapre. Number 22, isa sa mga best players ng ating NCF Tigers, si Bang Sablaon. Number 28, si Lesano. Number 35, Ariate. Number 7, number 11, Francis John Lawrence Lim. And number 31, Kyle Gabito. Partner, defending champions, NCF Tigers.
4-4 consecutive years.
And syempre partner, ang kanilang head coach, si Coach Momo. Nakita mo partner sa ating right side, nakatayo na yung mga fans ng ating NCF Tigers.
And to welcome their team.
Grabe, napakataas na ng energy dito sa ating gymnasium.
And we will pause for a moment to sing the Philippine National Anthem.
Ayan.
Our officiating official pushing and on Parao. Umpire 1, Jose Carlon Duro. Umpire 2, Ronnie Justin.
Ayun, kakatapos lang ng ating opening program, and we are now welcoming the officials for this matchup.
Ayun.
This is from SBP Elite Naga referee, headed by Sir Eman Faraon.
Ayan, so ayan na partner, no? Handshake of sportsmanship para sa both teams, ACC and NCF. Grabe. Pangalawang pagkikita nila ito ngayong season. And Grabe. Yung second nilang pag-meet up dito sa Bucal is the championship game. Grabe. Okay, partner. So, syempre, first time na maglalaro ang ating ACC was between the Ateneo, yung kalaban nila nun, di ba, partner? So,
semifinals.
dito, as provided by our stats team, nandito sa akin yung stats ng both teams, ACC and NCF, during their first games dito sa Bucal Season 4. And all I can say, partner, is they've come a long way since then. So,
Inararo ng ACC.
dito, itatakal natin kung bakit nakapasok sa championships ang parehong kupunan. So, makikita mo dito, partner, no? First game ng ACC, rebounds nila, very minimal, 21 points. This is coming out of a loss between the Ateneo University. Pero
NCF ang kalaban, parang NCF yung sa elimination. NCF yung naging kakalaban ng ating ACC.
NCF and ACC. Okay. So, dito makikita mo, no, sa 51 attempts ng ating ACC, they've only made 19 of those 51 attempts. So, very minimal, kumbaga, yung production nila on the offensive side. Pero, rebounds nila, 21 points. Turnovers nila, napakaganda because napakababa at only 20 turnovers, 20 unforced errors. And, yung assists, medyo mababa. And, yun nga. Pero yung points off of turnovers nila, napakarami. 17 points yung nakuha nila doon sa 62 points nila nung final score.
Ayan.
Pero dito naman tayo sa side ng ating NCF Tigers, sila naman parehas lang, medyo minimal yung kanilang production nun. Sa 77 attempts, they've only shot 33 of those 77. Pero dito sila, partner, bumawi sa rebounds. 45 rebounds, 25 of which are defensive rebounds. And partner, fast break points. 18 fast break points. Napaka-efficient nila on the fast break. Siyempre, dito sa ating Bucal, we've noticed na ang kanilang transition palagi is full court trapping, di ba? Kahit anong team man ang naglaro ngayong season 4, ang kanilang major priority is fast breaks and full court trapping. Dito nagiging effective ang plays ni Coach Momo sa kanyang team. Kaya 18 fast break points, second chance efforts nila because of the big mans na meron ng ating Tigers. Grabe, 17 points. Napuput back talaga nila yung mga second chances na yon. And kaya parehong kupunan nandito sa championship ngayon.
Ayun nga, doon sa una nilang pagkikita, I believe, kung di ako nagkakamali, yan yung unang day ng ating Bucal Season 4. Hindi nagkalayo yung score nila doon. Yung NCF has only 14-point lead laban sa ating ACC. Ngayon, kasama natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the bench of the Green Serpents. Hi Joyce, kamusta? Anong update, anong ambience dyan sa side ng ating Green Serpents?
Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all basketball fans. Here we are at the UNC Greyhound Sports Palace for the Game 1 of Finals of Bucal Season 4. NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. Russell and Joshua, you know what? Most of the time, the NCF crowd is always dominating the cheers. But now, I can hear the loud and proud cheers of ACC community for their support this Finals. And I believe that cheers will not be a hindrance for the Green Serpents to do their best inside the hard court. And I'm Joyce, and I will be the courtside correspondent of ACC Green Serpents, only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Well, thank you very much, Joyce, and good luck sa ating Green Serpents.
Ito naman ngayon, partner, hawak ko naman ngayon ang stats ng ACC Green Serpents nung semifinals match nila, nung binigyan nila ng upset yung ating Ateneo-Naga University. Grabe, only 4 points lang yung kalamangan nila, beating an undefeated team nung regular season. This is why sila ang nanalo nun. Firstly, partner, sa rebounds nila, they have accumulated 34 rebounds nung game na yon. they are efficient on the defensive side as well. Fast break points nila because of the full court trapping na nakita natin second quarter, doon bumaba yung efficiency ng Ateneo on the offensive side because defense ng ACC, grabe. Double team, full court, man to man. Kaya 13 fast break points and partner, high scoring din sila on the offensive side, scoring 94 points nung game na yon against an undefeated team which is Ateneo-Naga University. And partner, dito maganda yung performance ng ACC because of the proficiency of their bench players, scoring 55 points nung game na yon.
55 big points para sa ating bench points.
Kaya partner, well-deserved naman talaga ng ACC Green Serpents na makapasok dito sa championship match na ito. Pero syempre partner, tinawag natin kanina si Joyce from the side of our Green Serpents. Tawagin naman natin ngayon si...
Maya-maya, tatawagin natin ang ating kasamahan from the bench of the NCF Tigers. Yan nga, pag-usapan natin yung nakaraang semifinals ng ACC at ng Golden Knights. Yung second quarter, ending the first quarter, dun na napakainit, napakatindi na ng depensa na pinakita ng ACC sa Golden Knights.
Yes,
kaya natapos ang ating first quarter, hindi ako nagkakamali, lamang ang ating Green Serpents.
Okay. Pero syempre partner, no? NCF stats, ACC stats yung nabasa ko kanina. Ngayon naman, basahin naman natin yung stats ng ating NCF Tigers against the Shepherdville Rams. Ito yung nangyari dito partner, no? Pareho sa ACC, high rebound and defense para sa kanila. 48 rebounds para sa NCF Tigers. Pero dito partner, isa pa sa kanilang defensive efficiency is their steals, accumulating 25 steals. Starter points 48 ang nagdala, syempre yung mga starters ng ating game na ito. And makikita natin kung bakit sila ay undefeated sa regular season and sila rin ang mag-aano ngayong sa championship.
Yes, and sa battle of a defensive style para sa atin, Burns, parehas napakainit at napakatindi ng depensa ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
And syempre partner, tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the side of our NCF Tigers na si Kim. Hi Kim, what is your update dyan sa ating Tigers bench?
That's right, Joshua and Russell. It's officially the beginning of the most awaited championship battle of the season. Unang nagtapatan ng elimination round with a devouring 13-point lead victory. Ngayon ay muling harapin ng mga Tigre ang ACC Green Serpents as they defend the crown for a four-peat championship title. Joshua and Russell, to say that everyone is excited for this battle is an understatement. Lalong-lalo na for our NCF Tigers community na halos punuin na ang UNC Sports Palace to show their full support and loudest roar for our NCF Tigers. From banda, tarpaulins, placards, tiger mascot at cheers, ibang klase talaga paggaling sa home of the champions. Road to four-peat na ito, ika nga ng mga Tigre. Mga kaibigan, this is Kimberly Dialanes, tutok lang dito sa Bucal Season 4 live on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim for your update sa ating NCF Tigers. And partner, malapit na mag-umpisa ang Game 1 ng ating championship match between the NCF Tigers. Nakikita natin partner na yung both teams nag-huddle na, saying their prayers, their plays, kung ano ang gagawin dito sa ating first quarter ng championship na ito.
Ayun, kaabang-abanga. Ano ba ang mga game plans? Ano ba ang mga preparations? Lalong-lalo na ng ating ACC. This is their first time stepping on the finals ng ating Bucal throughout the season.
Ayan. Siyempre partner, no, sanay na ang NCF Tigers dito sa ating Bucal for championship matches. Still undefeated, still yet to get a loss dito sa ating Bucal Season 4.
Pero kailangan din nilang paghandaan ang ACC. Nakita nila ang laro ng ACC simula nung nalo nila ang ACC down to the quarterfinals, to the semifinals, at grabe na ang ACC ngayon.
Yes, partner. There is a reason kung bakit ACC ang ating ang representative ngayon kalaban ang ating defending champions, which is the NCF Tigers. Pero syempre partner, yung mga players na kailangan nating abangan dito sa ating game
Yes.
between NCF Tigers and syempre ACC Green Serpents. Syempre, partner, dito na muna tayo sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Syempre, number 2, Nagar.
Nagar.
Dalawang beses siyang nag-best
Best
player
player of the
nung regular season. Another one is number 23,
Number 23,
dating
yeah.
Golden Knight,
Dating Golden
which is
Knight.
Acabado. Grabe yung kanyang efficiency from the defensive side and syempre sa ating
Outside
offensive.
shooting
Oo,
rin ng dalawang to, no?
grabe yung kanyang 3-pointer dun. Pero syempre yung isa sa mga aabangan natin who will not be able to play, which is Sakulo, because of an unsportsmanlike behavior nung last semifinals match niya, kaya hindi siya makakapaglaro ngayong game. Doon naman tayo, partner, sa ating NCF Tigers. Syempre, we have Bang Sablaon,
Yes, Bang Sablaon.
the team captain, Alexander Lim. And yung isa pa nilang, yung big man nila, which is Arenzana, leader siya sa ating rebounds ngayong season.
Ayun, ayun. Kabang-abanga itong mga players na dapat nating abangan ngayong hapon, mga kaibigan.
And ayan, partner, no, ini-introduce na ang mga first 5 ng ating mga parehong schools. And syempre, partner, di ba? Arenzana, rebound leader dito. Makikita natin sa stats na binasa ko kanina, 48. Napakataas nun,
Grabe.
all thanks to the help of Arenzana.
At ayun, ito rin yung kailangan paghandaan, no, ng ating Green Serpents dito sa ACC. Alam nila na malakas sa offensive rebound, defensive rebound ang ating Tigers.
Ayan. NCF getting ready, going out of that huddle na. ACC naman ngayon, going into the center of the court. Nakikita natin, partner, si Nagar and Acabado, our players to look out for para sa Green Serpents, is in the playing field. Syempre, Sablaon, Arenzana, and Lim are also in the center. Isa pa, partner, para sa Tigers, si Malyapre. On the defensive side, magaling magbantay si Malyapre para sa Tigers.
At ito na, marks the begin of our matchup.
Nagsisimula na, partner, ang Game 1, ACC versus NCF. Tip-off na, Arenzana with number 15 ngayon. Kaninong possession ba mapupunta? And NCF wins that tip-off ngayon. Sablaon to the captain. Two-pointer, no good.
Rebounded by the ACC. Step on the line. Ball possession ng ating Tigers. Arenzana, pass to number 13. Bang, Sablaon, Mars for 3, no good. Ball possession of the Green Serpents.
Rebound ngayon ni Acabado. Number 2 fires, no good. Para kay Nagar. Bola na ngayon ng NCF with Alexander leading the way. Passes to Sablaon. Layup, it's good. First 2 points of the ball game comes from the NCF Tigers. Acabado now to Nagar. Penetrates, stops, back to Acabado. Quick 3. It's good! Para kay Acabado. 1-point lead para sa Green Serpents.
Ay ang tandem ng dalawang ito. Nagar and Acabado.
Tama, partner, yung ating mga predictions kung sino ang aabangan dito sa ating championship match na to. Sablaon for the Tigers and syempre Acabado for the Green Serpents. Offensive rebound, Arenzana passes to Malyapre, comes up short. Another offensive rebound. Arenzana still no good. Pero may whistle si ref.
Pinapanindigan ni Arenzana ang kanyang pagiging leading when it comes to the rebounding.
Yun. Foul called kay number 15 of the Green Serpents. Bola pa rin ng ating NCF Tigers. Lim ngayon, passes to Malyape. Back to the captain. Pass intercepted. That's still gonna be NCF ball.
They only have 8 seconds to shoot for the Tigers. The captain now is inbounding the ball. Now pass to Katamora, number 27.
Katamora ngayon into the hands of Sablaon. He needs to get this off. Lim fires a three. No good. Offensive rebound, Malyapre. 2 shots ngayon. Foul called. Foul called on number 2. Nagar gets his first foul early in this first quarter. 2 shots ngayon will be rewarded para kay Malyapre.
Ayun, first quarter pa lang, hype na ang ating live audience, and of course, to our Facebook live audience rin. Burns, 1.4 viewers tayo sa ating Facebook pages.
And syempre, don't forget to like and share our stream para mas maraming tao ang masakop ng ating live coverage na ito ng Bucal Season 4 Championship match between the NCF Tigers and ACC Green Serpents. Deadlock tayo ngayon. 8 minutes, 19 seconds remaining ating fourth quarter. Pero, ayun, yung defense na napakaganda na pinapakita ng ating NCF Tigers. Pero yun, may unforced error, traveling violation, bola, balik sa Green Serpents.
Number 0 now, finding his teammate. Pass to Nagar. Nagar.
Grabe ang double team ng NCF, pero Nagar. Foul was called. Katamora gets his first foul in this game. Bola pa rin ang ating Green Serpents. 14 seconds to shoot.
Acabado now. Step back 3-pointer. That's an air ball. Rebounded by number 10, Arenzana. Number 5 now has the ball. Naka-zone defense pa lang ang ating Green Serpents.
Malyapre penetrates, layup, in and out. Offensive rebound, Malyapre. Second chance, that's good. Para kay Malyapre. Lamang ng dalawa ang ating NCF Tigers. Akabado ngayon. Almost losing that ball. Passes to Nagar, penetrating. Step back, pump fake. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Third over para sa ating Green Serpents. Isa sa talaga partner sa mga hindi mo kailangan na magawa sa ating ballgame dito is yung mga unforced errors na nami-make nyo para Slim. Grabe ang side effects na makukuha mo sa mga turnovers na to.
And they have to take note ng kanilang mga unforced errors. Bang, Sablaon now from the top of the key. Oh, good.
And a whistle is called on the referee by the referee.
Number 27 against number 0. Tatawagan natin ng double fouls ang ating referee.
Double ball.
Yes.
Jersey number 27 of NCF.
Ayun nga, double foul ang itatawag para sa atin.
Ball position, ACC substitution.
Ball possession ang ating Green Serpents.
Yun, natawagan ng double foul si Galvez ng Green Serpents and si Katamora ng ating NCF Tigers. Ball possession ngayon ng ACC at Vincula to complete that inbound play.
And Vincula now has the ball. Pass to number 15. Number 15 looking for his teammate. Number 23 Acabado stops and pops for a 3-pointer. Oh, good.
Bola ngayon ng Tigers. Lim now with the ball. Penetrates. Passes to Sablon from the outside. Masinas. Mid-range. It's good. 2-pointer para sa Tigers. Extending their lead to 4. Fast break ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Stolen by Lim. Malyapre ngayon. 3-on-1 fast break. Masinas. A foul was called. Kaya Acabado, first foul ni Acabado, 2 shots para kay Masinas.
We only have 6 minutes and 13 seconds left sa ating first quarter. NCF is leading by 4.
Grabe. Early first quarter pa lang, partner, nakikita natin intensity ng game na to. Ang excitement ng lahat ng fans, both from the Tigers and for the Green Serpents.
Nasa fast pace ang ating both teams.
First shot, Masinas is no good.
second shot. Jumpers ready. Wala pa rin.
Both free throws ni Masinas hindi pumasok. And another whistle was called by the referee.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Bola pa rin ang ating Green Serpents. Green Serpents, 3 team fouls na ang meron ang NCF Tigers. Ayan partner, dito mo makikita yung man-to-man defense na napaka-deadly para sa NCF Tigers. Man-to-man full court press. 15 with that inbound. Back to the hands of number 24.
Number 24, cross is over. Number 50 now. Bounce pass to number 0. Kicks out to Acabado. Acabado love pass to number 0. Number 0 uses the glass and it's good.
2 points para kay Galvez there. Beautiful pass by Acabado. Almost stolen by another Tiger pero nakuha pa rin ni Galvez yung bola. Sablon ngayon with the ball back to Lim. Passes to Malyapre. That's a long 2. No good. Offensive rebound. Arenzana plus a foul. Pero may whistle si referee. He's not gonna count that point.
Tato agad ang foul doon. Si Arenzana.
Offensive foul para kay Arenzana. Those 2 points are not counted. Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents.
Number 24 now will inbound the ball. Pass to number 15. Back to number 24. Bola obra. Heavily guarded by Lim. Parehas. Mabilis tong guardang dalawang ito. Number 24. Oh good, but number 15 is there to get that follow through. Pero may nakita ang ating referee. Number 15.
Hindi rin nila i-count yung ating 2 points ng Green Serpents. Parehong dahilan, kagaya nung kay Arenzana.
Jersey number 15, second personal foul.
2 fouls na ang meron kaya Bron dito sa first quarter natin na ito.
At nasa penalty situation na Burns ang ating NCF Tigers. Medyo foul troubled ang ating ACC ngayon.
Yes.
Napakaaga.
Napakaaga ng ating first quarter. Dami na kaagad na fouls ng ating ACC. Templo Nuevo on the line. His first shot was no good.
They're just leading by 2. Shoutout sa iyo, Kim Chu.
Second shot by Templo Nuevo is good and substitutions para sa ating Green Serpents. Full court press pa rin pinapakita na depensa ng ating Green Serpents. Pero ayan, Bono Obra na with the ball para sa Green Serpents. Nagmamadaling maitawid ang bola. Gets it, penetrates, pump fakes, passes to the outside man. 3-pointer, no good, air ball. Acabado passes to the wrong man. Sablon now with a fast break. Malyapre, pump fake.
Nice defense.
That's a traveling violation. Good defense para sa ACC Green Serpents.
Turnover. Ball possession of the Green Serpents. Shoutout sa iyo, Maria Patricia de los Santos.
Advincula now with the ball para sa Green Serpents. Guarded by Masinas. Breaks away. Blocked by Masinas from the back. Fast break ngayon. Malyapre to Ariate. Pump fake. Penetrates. Swiped away, pero that's still gonna be NCF ball.
15 seconds, shut up. 15 to shoot.
They only have 15 seconds to shoot. And for the remaining time, we only have 4 minutes and 27 seconds. NCF
Ariate.
Tigers leading by 3.
Ariate ngayon making the play para sa kanyang team. 10 seconds to shoot. Long 3-pointer for Ariate. No good. Offensive rebound. Passes to Masinas. Fakes. Pero may foul. 2 shots dito para kay Masinas. Ang ganda ng pump fake partner. Dalawa sumabay.
Jersey number 15, first foul.
Foul on number 13, Liantero ng ating Green Serpents.
Mukhang nakakalusot ang ating Tigers sa zone defense na ginagawa ng ating ACC.
First shot of Masinas is good.
At wala pang nagta-timeout. Burns. Nagtitimplahan pa ang ating dalawang kupunan.
Yes, partner.
Second shot.
No
No
good
good.
para kay Masinas. Offensive rebound. Templo Nuevo. Put back. Wala pa rin. Ariate. It's good! Offensive rebound. Put back plus a foul. And a chance to make it a 3-point play.
Jersey number
Courtesy by Ariate.
Jersey number 54, first foul, penalty.
One shot para kay Ariate dito to complete the 3-point play. Grabe, partner. Pumupuntos ang NCF Tigers sa ating charity stripe.
Yeah. Lakas ng offensive rebound ng ating Tigers.
And he completes that 3-point play. And a timeout was called by the Green Serpents, ang ating score, partner. 12-5 lamang ang ating NCF Tigers.
And we only have 4 minutes and 5 seconds left para sa ating first quarter. We are live here at the UNC Sports Palace at nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Number 2 makes it a foul. Fast break left. It's good. Demonstration at by one shortstopper using the bat. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Number 2 makes it a foul.
And we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace for the game 1 of the championship game between NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents.
And ayan, partner, kung makikita mo sa ating harapan, hyped up ang ating NCF Tigers with their lead ngayon. Pero back to the ball game tayo. Possession ng Green Serpents coming out of that timeout. Number 13, Liantero na with the ball. Passes to Advincula. Heavily guarded by Masinas. Penetrates. Floater. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound.
Nice defense para sa ating Tigers. Catches the play, Sablaon, and it's good for a 2-pointer. That's from Bang Sablaon. Number 24 now was fouled by number 7, Ariate.
Ganda ng depensa na pinakita ng ating Tigers and yung opensa ni Sablaon there. Getting 2 points para sa kanyang koponan. Extending their lead.
And to give us an update coming from the timeout, let's call in our courtside reporter all the way from the bench of the ACC Green Serpents. Hi Joyce! Ano ang update dyan?
Russell and Joshua, Coach Altair reminding the boys to always observe their man-to-man defense and strictly do the proper backs out. Be flexible and adaptive inside the hard court. That's the latest from this side. Back to the paddle.
Ayun, maraming salamat Joyce at ayun na nga, napansin na ating si Coach George. Kailangan paigtingin ng box out ang ating ACC.
Need talaga nila ngayon maging flexible sa game na to. Lalong-lalo na't lumulobo na ang kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. Pero ayan partner, going back sa ating ball game, a foul was called by our referee. Foul called on Templo Nuevo. 2 shots ngayon para kay Patcham. 3 minutes, 5 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. May kalamangan ng medyo malaki ang ating NCF Tigers. First shot ngayon ni Patcham is good.
7-point lead.
Kalahati. Second shot ngayon, jumpers are ready. That's good. Perfect from the line sa Patcham ngayon.
6-point lead para sa ating Tigers. Now,
Ariate controlling the play para sa kanyang koponan. Asks for a screen, penetrates. Medyo nabitawan there sa kamay. Himalyape ngayon, passes to Sablaon. Pero may 2 shots dito para sa ating Tigers. Number 13 with that foul. Himalyape ngayon.
again, nasa penalty situation ng NCF Tigers.
And nakikita naman natin partner, inaabuso ng NCF Tigers yung kanilang penalty situation right now.
And they have to take advantage of that.
Everything helps para makalamang dito sa ball game na ito.
So, problema ang ating ACC because of their fouls.
So struggle sila ngayon pero yun, second shot by Malyapre is good. And a substitution, Sablaon goes out, Lesano goes in for the Tigers.
Ball possession of the Green Serpents. Number 19 now.
Grabe talaga partner ang depensa na pinapakita ng Tigers. Hindi nila hinahayaan makatawid ang ating Green Serpents ng mapayapa. Pero yun, foul by Lesano doon. Penalty situation na rin naman ng ating Green Serpents. Yantero will shoot free throws.
Kakapasok lang ni ni Lozano. Nakuha agad ng foul. First shot is good. Number 13, Liantero.
And I think may papapasukin din ang ating Green Serpents. 2 minutes, 42 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
6-point lead lang sa ating, ayun na, they cut the lead into 5.
Cabahog goes in, Acabado goes out para sa Green Serpents. It's a struggle din si Acabado to make points dito. Yung early 3-pointer niya, hindi niya nadadagdagan dito. Pero still there by Cabahog. Penetration.
Nice feed to the inside man, pero wala. Number 99 for the third chance opportunity. Wala pa rin, pero nakakuha ng foul si Cabahog doon. Kita-kita natin yung height advantage ng Tigers, pero hindi pa rin sumusuko ang ating Green Serpents.
Yes, partner. At ayan, 2 shots ngayon para kay Cabahog. First shot is no good.
A chance to cut the lead into 4. Kung may papasok ni Cabahog ang last free throw. Shoutout sa'yo, RJ Abner.
Second shot ngayon ni Cabahog. Still no good. Rebound ngayon ni Masinas. Ariate will control the ball. To the hands of Masinas ngayon. Masinas,
Masinas.
side step, passes to Lisano. Fires a 3, no good. Fast break ngayon ng ACC. Natapik ang bola, still gonna be ACC ball.
Only have 2 minutes, 4 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Tigers leading by 5. Kabahog now, pass to Advincula. Advincula will set the play. Number 13. Number 13 finding his teammate, number 1.
They need to get a shot here. Fake. There by Banaobra. Floater no good. May foul na nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Kabahog. Bola ngayon ng ating Tigers. Pero nagtawagan ng timeout ng ating NCF Tigers. Ang ating score is 10-15. Lamang pa rin ng 5 ang ating NCF Tigers. This is Bucal, Season 4 live at the USC Sports Palace. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul. What a save! Fast break left. It's good.
Demonstration at by one shortstopper using the block.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul. What a save!
And we are back here live at the USC Sports Palace for Bucal Season 4 Game 1 of the championship game between the SEF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents.
Templo Nuevo there with his first shot. That's good, extending their lead to 6 points. And to give us an update from that timeout called by Coach Momo, let's go out call Kim for her update. Hi Kim, ano ang update dun sa changes na ginawa ni Coach Momo?
Yes, Joshua and Russell, from teammates to enemies aiming for the same throne. Yan ang kwento natin ngayong hapon dahil most of the players ng NCF at ACC ay dating magka-team nung high school bilang players ng Santo Domingo Red Dragon sa Albay. Moreover, the Tigers were reminded by Coach Momo to not underestimate the Green Serpents. Huwag maging complacent and give all that they got. Dapat rin ay iwasan ang mga foul troubles at mga penalty. Defend the title as they embody their attitude before skills, game philosophy. Yan mo ng latest dito. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim. Syempre partner, don't be complacent nga sabi ni Coach Momo sa kanyang team dahil kilala niya ang mga players ng ACC. Magagaling din ang mga players na to. Kaya wag magre-relax dito sa ballgame nito. Pero yun, going back sa ating ballgame, another 2-pointer is added para sa ating NCF Tigers with only about a minute remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
9-point lead para sa Tigers. ACC now, number 13. Bounce pass to Kabahog. Oh good, nice defense para sa ating Tigers.
Malyapre now, fast break. 45 seconds remaining dito sa first quarter. Mase controls it. Relaxing here. Hindi nagmamadali si Mase. Penetrates. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Turnover para sa ating NCF Tigers. Substitution ngayon, both sides.
Yes, Malapre out. In tatlo from the Green Serpents. Ay, dalawa from the Green Serpents will enter the hard court.
Yan.
You only have 30 seconds to play para sa first quarter. Number 24 by the Obra. Guarded by Asibor. Pass to number 12. Number 12 drives.
That's gonna be traveling violation. Extra step there by Septo. Kita ni referee. So that's gonna be turnover. 17 seconds. Shot clock is off. Full court man-to-man din ang ating ACC with there. Asibor with the ball. Passes to San Gabriel. 10 seconds to shoot. Mase trying to make this their last possession. Fires at the... That's good! 3-pointer para kay Mase to end that quarter. Grabe! 21-10 ang ating score ending that first quarter. NCF leads double digits, 11 points. Partner, 21st quarter, grabe.
What a quarter.
Intense.
And indeed, kaabang-abang ang ating second quarter. Ayo, ito. Tingnan naman natin ang ating mga live audience dito sa UNC Sports Palace.
And partner, kitang-kita mo yung impact ng 3-pointer there by Mase. Nakatayo ang fans ng NCF Tigers. Nakikita natin dyan sa ating camera.
Hype na hype ang ating Tigers para doon sa clutch 3-pointer na yon.
Yes.
Atid sa inyo ni Mase.
Ayan. Grabe, double-digit lead na kagad ang hawak ng ating NCF Tigers, holding their opponents dito.
Pero masyado pang maaga to conclude this game. And we know the capability and the talents of this Green Serpents.
Oo, low scoring quarter para sa ating ACC Green Serpents dito sa ating game 1. Pero syempre, there's still 3 quarters para sa ball game na ito. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari sa loob ng 3 quarters na yun.
And I do believe Coach George will make a big adjustments and labasan na to ng kanya-kanyang bala.
Yes, partner, medyo nagsastruggle yung mga best players ng ating Green Serpents, pero ayan na, magsisimula na ang ating second quarter.
Ayun, and gusto ko lang i-shoutout harap sa'yo, Idol Drigo Villarico, and to you, China San Benaventura. Maraming salamat sa panonood. In April man lang.
Ayan, and shoutout din kay Andre De Leon, and kay Clyde Gonzalez, pati na rin kay Manuel Tuy and Donovan Nale.
Gusto ko rin batiin ng happy birthday ang aming choir master during my high school days, Sir Glenn Culasito. Happy birthday po sa'yo and kay Reverend Ryan Nicoleta.
Ayan, and going back sa ating ball game ngayon, possession ng ating NCF Tigers. Asibor with that 3-pointer, no good. Put back by Templo Nuevo, adding 2 points. para sa ating Tigers ngayon. Fast break number 13, layup, that's good. Stopping the bleeding for the Green Serpents.
At ayun na nga, naka-full court, man-to-man press na rin ang ating Green Serpents.
Ika nga partner, no fight, fire with fire. That's gonna be the plan para kaya Coach Versus. Man-to-man ang NCF, man-to-man din niya ang ating NCF Tigers. Pero wala yung depensa para kay San Gabriel with a 3-pointer. Kalahati ang score ng ACC sa ating Tigers, 24-12. 9 minutes remaining. Septo now with the ball, penetrates, fakes. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Turnover para sa ACC dito. Nagsistruggle sila.
Yes, 15-point lead para sa ating Tigers. What a run.
Grabe naman yon ang pinapakita ng ating NCF Tigers. Pero ayan, Asibor na with the ball. Back to Mase. Nagpapaulan ng tres ang ating NCF Tigers dito. San Gabriel tries again. That's gonna be a short one.
Ball possession of the Green Serpents. Number 30 now will drive the ball, uses the glass, and it's good.
What a beautiful layup there by number 13. Liantero. Foul call there by the referee. That's gonna be a foul call on Liantero. That's gonna be 2 fouls para kay Liantero.
And to give us an update from the side of the Green Serpents, ano kaya yung mga game plans at adjustments ng ating Green Serpents? Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter. Hi Joyce! Kamusta? Anong update sa ating Green Serpents?
Russell and Joshua during the first quarter, Coach Alter instructing the boys to always be sure of the shooting points. And sabi pa nga ni Coach, all possession counts. Utilization of swing and reverse plays not visible according to Coach George. At sabi pa ni Coach, be attentive of the rebounds and high percentage shots of the opponent. Yan muna ang latest side ng ACC Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Russell and Joshua.
Maraming salamat Joyce sa iyong update from the side of the Green Serpents.
And ayan partner, no? Nung interview niya ating courtside reporter na si Joyce, bumabawi ng konti ang ating Green Serpents.
Mahabol.
Pero double digit lead pa rin ang hawak ng ating NCF Tigers. Pero ball possession ngayon ang ating Green Serpents.
11-point lead.
Liantero na with the ball, trying to cut the lead by the Tigers to only single digits. Galvez penetrates, spins. Pero may block doon, pero traveling violation din para sa ating Green Serpents. Grabe ang unforced errors nila dito early on sa ating second quarter.
Kailangan nila yung maiwasan simula ngayong quarter hanggang sa susunod. The ball possession of the Tigers. The captain now.
Mid-range para kay Lim, that's good. 2-pointer added na naman sa ating Green Serpents.
One over now is heavily guarded by number 13 and successfully get that ball. What an interception. Malyapre now. Malyapre drives.
What a beautiful block there by number 15, Bron ng Green Serpents. Nice defense. Napakaganda nun.
Teritoryo ko to, sabi ni Bron.
Substitution ngayon. Papasok naman si Acabado.
Hindi ko pa nakikita pumasok para sa second quarter. Number 2 ng ating Sinagar.
Lim passes to Malyapre. Pump fake. Sumaba yung isa. Penetrates. Still no good. Offensive rebound. Rivera. That's good. 2-pointer para naman sa ating Tigers. Acabado now with the ball. Trying to make up something here para sa Green Serpents.
Acabado fighting his teammate. Reverse layup is good.
Galvez with a 2-pointer.
Kenneth Resurrection.
31-18 ang ating score. 6 minutes, 14 seconds remaining sa ating quarter. Lim. That's another 2-pointer para sa ating kapitan.
2 in a row para kay Lim. Ay,
33-18 na.
sa'yo. Number 15.
Ooh, what a beautiful pass! 15 Bron, napakaganda ng pasa niya to the inside man for that 2-pointer. 13-point lead hawak ng ating Tigers. Lim. And there's a foul. That's gonna be an illegal screen para kay Lim. Lalabas ngayon si Lim, papasok si Gabito. Small ball lineup ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers.
Mga pinagpapahinga ni Coach Momo ang kanyang mga big mans.
Almost same height ang ating mga players dito sa loob. And then Lantero with no one guarding him. Easy 2-pointer para sa ating Green Serpents.
Napakagandang inbound play yun.
11-point lead. Lim ngayon. Fine, Sablaon. Thought about that 3 back to Lim. Penetrates again. Layup. That's good. 3 in a row para kay Alexander Lim. El Capitan.
El Capitan. Lumilihab.
Bron ngayon.
Serpents now. Nakakuha ng foul. Si Bron doon and he will step on the line.
Foul called on Gabito, number 31. 2 shots ngayon para kay Bron.
Yan si number 15, pinakita niya kanina, napakagandang footwork plus assist to convert it with a point. Bron of the Green Serpents. No good for his first throw. Shoutout sa'yo, Sir Angelo.
Here to make his second shot ngayon si Bron. 22-35 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ng NCF Tigers with only 5 minutes left dito sa ating second quarter. Templo Nuevo goes in. Lalabas si Rivera.
And we have a substitutions here. Number 24, Bunang Obra will leave the court. And the captain of the ACC is now on the hard court.
And here to give us an update sa ating second quarter dito sa ating Green Serpents bench. Tawagin natin partner si Kim. Hi Kim, ano ang update dyan sa inyong bench?
Joshua and Russell, during the dugout, Coach Momo lauded the boys for doing good in defense sa ating first quarter, having them lead with 12 points. However, nasundan ito ng paalala na hindi raw magiging madali ang laban na ito. Kaya man payo ni Coach for the second quarter, take things one step at a time. Be aware if we need to stop and if we need to score. Sigaw naman ni Franco Mas sa kanyang teammates, bawiin natin sa depensa. Back to the panel.
Yeah man, syempre partner no? One step at a time para sa ating NCF Tigers. Though they have the lead dito sa ating ball game, need pa rin nilang isa-isahin ang bawat galaw nila para hindi sila magkalituhan dito. And the play was stopped by the referees. I think number 0 is down. Galvez is down. Along with Sablon, pero I think Sablon is okay there. Pero still on the floor is Galvez ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Medics are called now there to give support para kaya Galvez.
Ay shoutout sa ating medics on duty sa hapong ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mamaya makikita natin sa instant replay ano ba nangyari.
And I think hinahawakan ni Galvez yung kanyang kamay there.
Hindi ako nagkakamali. His right
yung wrist area niya.
Yeah.
And yan, inassist pa si Galvez dito. And yun, nakikita natin partner no, may ice pack na dun sa kamay ni Galvez.
Pero luckily no, pasalamat tayo, hindi masyado malala yung injury.
Let's hope Galvez is okay after this ball game.
Medyo masama yung naging bagsak niya kanina.
Isa sa mga mahirap na mangyari sa mga atleta natin dito, partner, is yung injuries na natatamo nila during the ball game. Napakahirap maging injured during these times na kailangan ka ng iyong team.
Number Acabado now will inbound the ball. Pass to number 13.
Liantero.
At Bucal now.
Finds set. Bron. Penetrates si Bron ngayon. Layup, no good. Gabito with that rebound now in the hands of the Kapitan. Malyapre. Penetrates. Layup. In and out. No good.
Agawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Nagar. Nagar now has the ball.
Stolen by Kapitan. 4-on-2 fast break. Sablon fires a long three. No good. Offensive rebound. Bola pa rin ng NCF. Nice hustle there by the captain, Alexander Lim.
Grabe. Ang offensive rebounding ng ating Tigers. Shoutout sa'yo, Luis Jade Agapor and Nico Andre Fabricante.
Sablon tries again for three. Still no good. Offensive rebound swiped away by Acabado. Now in the hands of Advincola to Liantero. Stolen there by the captain. Fast break. Sablon. Extra pass. Beautiful layup there by Sablon. Assist by the captain. Grabe. From the defensive side to the offensive side, Alexander Lim proving himself dito sa Game 1 ng ating championship match.
Proving that indeed he is the captain of this team.
And partner, may foul pa. Chance to make it a 3-point play. Sablaon with a beautiful pass by Alexander Lim and that beautiful layup by Bang Sablaon.
37-23 with 3 minutes and 14 seconds sa ating second quarter.
Sablaon completes that 3-point play and a timeout was called by Coach Berses. Ang ating score is 38-23. Lamang ang ating NCF Tigers.
And we are live here at the UNC Sports Palace para sa Game 1 ng ating championship game. And nakatutok pa rin kayo sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Triple Dumars and a foul. the glass. Shortstopper using the glass. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul. What a
We are back live here at the UNC Sports Palace for your championship match, Bucal Season 4, NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. And kasalukuyang nasa kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers here. 38-23 ang ating score. 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining here in our second quarter. Ball possession by the Green Serpents. Advincula now with the ball. Di na itawid ang bola. Gabito with a steal, pero backcourt violation back into the hands of the Green Serpents. Miscommunication there by Gabito for the turnover. 14-second shot clock here para sa ating Green Serpents. Acabado will inbound the ball para sa kanyang kupunan. And the referee is moving where Acabado will inbound the ball. Now Acabado finds Nagar. Nagar here. 10 seconds to shoot. Naghanap ng mababasahan. Into the hands of Acabado. Fires the 3. Acabado. No good. Rebound by Lim here. Lim ngayon nagmamadali. Penetrates. Layup. No good.
Nice rebound by the captain of the ACC, Nagar. Nagar drives, uses the glass, no good.
Stolen ngayon.
Green Serpents. Nagar now finding his teammate.
Liantero na with the ball. To Acabado. Acabado ngayon nahihirapan pumuntos. Acabado layup, may foul. 2 shots para kay Acabado ngayon.
Only 2 minutes and 20 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 38-23. 15-point lead para sa ating NCF Tigers.
Foul called on Malyapre. So Malyapre will go out. Medyo na marami na yung fouls. Yung Malyapre dito, Ariate now goes in para sa NCF Tigers.
May nagpapabati dito from Joyce De Vera. Greetings po. Happy birthday, Adrian Dashan.
First shot of Acabado is good. 24-38 ang score ng ating second quarter. Second shot para kay Acabado. That's gonna be no good. Same ball.
Jump ball.
Bola ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Ayun, shoutout sa ating 1.5 viewers sa ating Facebook pages. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok.
14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds to make a play para sa ating Green Serpents. Acabado now. That's gonna be a whistle.
At yun, nasa penalty.
Penalty situation na ang ating Green Serpents. Two shots ngayon para kay Advincula. First shot. That's good para kay Advincula.
.13 lead.
Second shot dito para kay Advincula.
And shoutout sa iyo, Kailin Arandia and Chess Camol.
No good para second shot. Offensive rebound by number 19. That's good.
And we have a timeout called by the NCF Tigers with 2 minutes and 17 seconds left sa ating second quarter, 38 to 27. 11-point lead na lang ang kalamangan ng ating Tigers. We are live here at the UNC Sports Palace, all here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul. Fast break left. It's good. Demonstration at the London shortstopper using the block. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul.
And we are back here live at the USN Sports Palace para sa ating Game 1 ng championship game between the NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents.
And ayun partner, nagtawag nga ng timeout si Coach Momo dito to make some changes. And Lim now with the ball, passes to Templo Nuevo. That's a shot, no good. Offensive rebound ngayon para sa NCF. Ariate penetrates, fakes, mid-range jumper, no good.
Rebounded by Advincula. Lapas to Nagar. Nabitawan yung bola. Ariate now. Cross-court pass to Sablaon. Sablaon. Pass to the wingman. Pero natawagan ng violation dan. Stepping on the line. That's a turnover from the side of the Tigers.
Remaining time natin para sa first half, 1 minute and 33 seconds remaining. Nasa kalamangan pa rin ang ating NCF Tigers dito.
Happy viewing sa iyo, Jeffrey Navera.
Acabado humihingi ng screen para sa kanyang teammate. Acabado loses that ball. That's gonna be a turnover para sa Green Serpents. Sablaon now there with the ball stolen by Templo Nuevo. Sablaon passes to Ariate, penetrates, spins, passes to the next one. Beautiful pass by Ariate para sa 2-pointer there by Gabito.
Nice feed. Nagar now has the ball. Nagar drives, uses the glass. Good! What a move!
Gandang layup there by Nagar. Showing off some handles.
Only have 35 seconds left sa ating second quarter.
Sablon, three-pointer, that's good! Bang! 25 seconds remaining and there's a foul called. Sablon there with the foul. Napakagandang revenge three-pointer doon by Sablon, pero ayan, may foul siyang nakuha, putting Nagar to the line, making 2 free throws para sa ACC.
Double-digit lead pa rin para sa ating Tigers. 15-point lead. Nagar, first throw is no good.
ACC here struggling sa ating free throw line. Second shot in the guard, that's good. Shot clock is off, only 22 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half, and syempre sa aming pagbabalik, we will have our halftime analysis. Coach Momo signaling his player to kill time. Ariate ngayon penetrates, passes to Lim, hawak ng bola, three-pointer, no good. Rebound ng Abado, losing the ball. Nagagawang buko, and that's it for the first half. Our score 43-30, 13-point lead para sa NCF Tigers. Partner, we will take a short break, and pagbabalik natin, halftime analysis for our first half between the matchup of NCF Tigers and the ACC Green Serpents. Again, this is GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We will be right back.
After using the glass, all the way, number 2 makes in a foul.
Good day, everyone. I am Joyce Bernadette Ann Pampalan, 20 years old, BSTM student of Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, Naga City Campus, and one of your courtside reporters, this Bucal, Season 4. During my elementary days, I am an arnis player and I compete up until the palarong panlalawigan, both combative and likhang anyo, single or double baston. This Bucal Season 4, please do expect me to give my very best to deliver to you all the happenings inside the game court.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? 11 up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, Salbay, Barangay Sagpon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing.
Ano po ang pagkaintindi mo kayang kagawa?
Ang katuyahan po, kan pagkakaigwa ng teleradyo, iyan tanganing mas komprehensibong maipaabot si mga bareta.
Ang nakapalaman sa satuya pong konstitusyon. Ingat lang ta, medyo may COVID pa kita. Luwas mong makaning face mask.
Bako lang po sa radyo,
Asintado!
sa Facebook o social media, kundi pati po sa telebisyon.
Mayo man paulit-ulit. Pagbago na naman ang presidente, arog na naman kayan.
Ako, si Joe Osabal, sa Asintado sa Teleradyo, digdi sa GNTV-48 Naga.
Magsama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNTV-48 Naga. This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream Travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Dialenes from Naga College Foundation, your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I am a student journalist, a student leader. I also like taking care of my cats and visiting coffee shops. I am so thrilled and excited to be one of your courtside reporters for this season of Bucal. Kaya naman, samahan po ninyo ako para sa mga updates, diskusyon at mga silip eksena at the courtside for this season of Bucal.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNTV-48 Naga, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN-TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Sa oras ng sakuna, Isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang gubag. Ang isang gubag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars o energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio at extrang cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas, nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
Sungunyan niya ako kitadigdi sa World of Water. Oh, wow! Sungunyan hihilingan tapo ang machine.
Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infeliz. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner!
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject and TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon. At I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things. Hindi lang puro like, let's say, electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but I enjoy it a lot because learning new things is my favorite thing.
Actually, this is a pre-program for our basic education department. We will be having this robotics program, but parents will not pay any extra amount of this. So this is an innovation for Naga College Foundation, and of course, to enhance our curriculum, particularly for digital transformation.
As I can see, kapag ang teacher is hands-on talaga sa pagtuturo, lalo na sa robotics na to, the students will really enjoy. It will be very fun and they will really have this learning environment and experiences po na mag-i-enjoy talaga sila.
You should better try new things no matter how difficult it is. Never give up because trying new things can open big possibilities and opportunities around you. You never know kung saan ka magaling, saan ka kailangan mo pa ng improvement. So I think that there's nothing wrong with trying because until you keep on trying, you will achieve a lot of things po and that will help you.
And we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace para sa ating Game 1 ng championship game ng SEL Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. Ating nga friends, bago natin simulan at magpatuloy sa ating third quarter, tignan natin ang performances ng dalawang kupunan noong nakaraang first half. Salamat sa ating stats team para sa halftime analysis na ito. Unahin natin ang NCF Tigers. Ano ba ang dahilan kung bakit sila naging dominante ng simula ng ating first half? Because of their 12 offensive rebounds, 10 steals, 8 points para second chance opportunity, and yung bench points nila napakalaki, 21 points. At yung dahilan rin kung bakit laging naiwan kalamangan ng ating Green Serpents because of their 16 turnovers.
Oo. Nakita ko rin yung partner nung napakagrabe ng unforced errors na Rael. Siyempre, yung depensa kasi na pinapakita ng ating NCF Tigers, makikita natin kung ano ba yung mga changes na ginawa nila sa pagpasok ng ating second half. Pero yun, going back sa ating ball game, 3-pointer there by Acabado is good. Pero Ariate, revenge shot, still no good.
Sagutan ng 3. Nagarnao has the ball. Number 24, no good. Pero bago ang lahat, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the bench of the Green Serpents. Hi Joyce, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Russell and Joshua, during the halftime, Coach George emphasizes that the team needs a bunch of effort to box out and strengthen their defense. He said that the boys must continuously protect the paint because of the high percentage shots of the opponent team. And Coach John added that the proper position and utilization of screening will be important for this game. Pinaalalahanan din ang team to lessen or minimize turnovers. Yan muna ang latest from this side. Back to the panel.
Thank you very much, Joyce. Ayun na nga, they have to put extra effort just to box out and get the rebound or defend their basket para sa ating Green Serpents.
And foul there was called again on number 13, Maliapre. Bola ngayon ng ACC Acabado to inbound that ball. Finds Nagar. Back to Acabado. Thought about that three-pointer. Number 15 penetrates. Nakapick yung bola. And Maliapre is down. Medyo natamaan ni number 15 Bron yung dito sa may chest area ni Maliapre. And yun, medics are going in na. And yan, makikita natin sa ating instant replay kung ano yung nangyari. Nadaganan kasi ni Bron. Oo.
Nadaganan ni Bron.
And still on the ground is Maliapre. Pero nandun naman na yung ating mga medics and hopefully okay lang ang kalagayan ni Maliapre dito. And tawagin naman natin, partner, ang courtside reporter from the side of our Tigers bench na si Kim. Hi Kim, ano ang updates dyan sa iyo?
Yes, Joshua and Russell, we're doing good. Bungad-angad agad ni Coach Momo during the halftime dugout. Looking at the stats sheet, Coach Momo said they were able to do their goal to contain the role players and stop the markmen of the Green Serpents. The Tigers were also admired of their good free throw shots and low turnovers. However, kailangan pa rin daw nilang bumawi sa second chance points. Even though they are leading the scoreboard, hindi pa rin magre-relax ang mga Tigre. Ang mindset na gusto nila ngayon ay ipagpalagay na hindi sila ang lamang kundi ang hahabol. We can't afford to lose. Gamitin ang utak, expect for a trap, and contain the role player. Ika nga ni Coach Momo. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim for your update and shoutout sa ating mascot ng ating NCF Tigers na nandun sa likod ni Kim. Pero ayan nga partner, sabi nga ni Coach Momo, kahit sila ang nasa kalamangan ngayon, they still don't need to relax and maging kampante sa kalamangan nila kasi anytime pwedeng mag-comeback ang ating ACC Green Serpents.
At ayun na nga, they cut the lead to 15.
Katamora with that 3, no good. Rebound by Acabado. On the offense now is the Green Serpents. Nagar with that layup, natapik ng konti ni Ariate. Pero ayan, fast break. Ariate spins. Ang ganda ng layup. Beautiful two-pointer by Ariate. And pati si Coach Momo naka-flex na lang.
What a beautiful play. Spin move by Ariate. Even the crowd, they even stand up for that move. Advin Cola.
No good, pero may foul. 2 shots ngayon para kay Advin Cola.
Grabe yung intense ng ating laro dito, Burns. Kahit ako gusto ko na rin nga tumayo dito sa aking kinauupuan.
And syempre partner, no? Championship match to eh. So magiging exciting talaga to. No matter what the outcome is. Pero partner, medyo tumatagilid na ang vapor ng ating ACC. Konti na lang, magti-20 point lead na ang ating NCF Tigers. They need to bounce back here sa ating second half para makapaghabol sila sa ating ball game na ito. Last shot here is good and no good para kaya Advincola. Fast break ngayon, Ariate passes to Sablaon, fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound, Templo Nuevo. Passes to Nagar, the wrong person. Acabado with the ball. Almost swiped away, but swiped away talaga ni Ariate. And ngayon nasa offense ang Tigers. Ariate passes to Sablon. Ang ganda ng layup na yon. Plus that pass from Ariate. Grabe ang pinapakita ng NCF Tigers dito sa first game championship match. Woo! Napaka-intense, partner. Sablaon. Tutumba. That's gonna be a foul called. Foul called and Advincula there. Free throws para kay Sablaon. Lesano papasok. Katamora lalabas para sa sa ating Tigers.
And we have a timeout called by the Green Serpents. We only have 7 minutes and 2 seconds sa ating third quarter. 54-36, 18-point lead para sa ating Tigers. We are still live here at the USC Sports Palace for the Game 1 of the championship game ng NCF Tigers versus ACC Green Serpents. Huwag na wag po kayong alis. We will be right back. Ayun, we are back here live at the USS Sports Palace and shoutout sa ating live audience. Punong-puno.
Oo, partner, grabe na yung hype ng ating NCF and ACC fans. Nakikita natin sa ating harapan dito mga sumasayaw pa. Pero let's go back sa ating ball game. Ball possession ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Lesano ngayon to Ariate. Back to Lesano. Fires that three, no good. Offensive rebound, Teblo Nuevo, walang sagot ang ating ACC sa mga rebounds. Sablon penetrates, no good. Another chance for Sablon, still wala pa rin.
Ball possession of the Green Serpents. Nagar now has the ball. Agar, no good.
Ariate at 3, no good. Pero may second chance effort na naman ang ating Tigers, double team para sa ACC. Ariate, penetrates, sidestep, passes to Sablaon, fakes, sidestep, three-pointer, no good. Lesano with a rebound. pero hindi nasalo. Yung Sablon, that's gonna be a turnover. Napakaganda ng transition na yon. Kaso, miscommunication there on the side of Lezano and Sablon.
Nice hustle doon para kay Lezano.
Grabe, kahit napakamalit ng stature niya, na-rebound pa niya yun. Despite of the tall players ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Yan ang kailangan dito. The ACC, they must find their tempo.
Medyo nawawala sa rhythm.
Atensyon na binibigay ng Tigers. Another turnover.
Sablon, layup. It's good! No foul there, pero napakaganda ng layup ni Sablon doon.
And for the meantime, let's call in our courtside reporter coming from the timeout. Ano ba yung magiging update ng ating Green Serpents? Let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi Joyce! Kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Russell and Joshua again for the second time around. Coach George reminding the boys to lessen or minimize their turnovers. And they should. As you can see, Russell and Joshua, the number 0 ACC Green Serpents, the big man, falls and twisted his arm a while ago, but now playing because he's now okay and doing well. Then Allen is from this side back to the paddock.
Thank you very much Joyce sa yung update sa side ng ating Green Serpents.
And ayan partner, no? Templo Nuevo goes out, Maliapre goes in, he's okay na dun sa kanyang natamong injury kanina. And hindi naman masyadong major yung kanyang na-receive doon from that scuffle kanina. Maliapre na with the ball, heavily guarded by a Serpent. Naghanap ng mapapasahan, passes to Masinas, almost loses that. Floater, no good. May foul na naman nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be
from Maliapre.
From Maliapre na naman. He's struggling. Dami niya ng foul dito sa ating ball game na ito. Third team foul para sa NCF. Warning na sila for penalty. Dalawa na lang.
And we only have 5 minutes and 1 second para sa ating third quarter.
And ayun partner, kakapasok pa lang ni Maliapre, lalabas siya ulit, papalitan ni Rivera because of his fouls. Acabado there, catch and shoot 3. That's gonna be an air ball. Bola ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Buti na lang partner, no, nagsastruggle din to get that basket in para sa ating NCF Tigers. Though marami silang offensive rebounds, yung kanilang second chance efforts medyo hindi pumapasok ngayon dito this quarter.
Isa lang ibig sabihin nun, the Green Serpents, yung depensa nila.
Maganda yung defense ang napapakita ngayon ng ating Green Serpents sa third quarter. Pero ayan, Sablon now with the ball, swiped away by Acabado. Fake na yun kay Sablon, fires that 3-pointer, still no good. Pero may foul na nakita ng ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on number 0 ng ating Green Serpents. Bola pa rin ng ating NCF Tigers.
Sa replay, makita natin sa replay. Ayun na, kitang-kita yung foul na yun ni Galvez.
Lim now to inbound the ball, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Passes to San Gabriel. And that's of Masinas. Masinas penetrates, stops, floater. 2 shots ngayon para kay Masinas. Foul called on number 15. Bron.
And Masinas now will step on the line.
First shot ngayon ni Masinas, that's no good. 56-39 ang ating score with only 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter.
Ayun, shoutout sa iyo Manuel Carino, John Del Belmonte, Nath, and Jules Bardaje.
Masinas there with his second shot is good. Substitution ngayon para sa Green Serpents. Full court press na naman ang pinapakitang depensa ng ating Tigers. proving deadly dito sa ating Bucal Season 4 ang strategy na to on the defensive side.
Galvez now will penetrate, uses the glass, oh good. Pero nakakuha ng foul doon si Galvez. He will step on the line.
Foul call ng San Gabriel.
First throw for Galvez.
That's good. 40-57 ang ating score. 17-point lead by the NCF Tigers. Second shot ngayon ni Galvez of the Green Serpents to make it 16-point lead. That's good. 2 for 2 from the line there by Galvez.
4 minutes and 10 seconds para sa ating third quarter.
Rivera there got a warning for faking a foul. Rivera goes out. Full court man-to-man din ang pinapakitang depensa ng ating Green Serpents. San Gabriel, double team. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating ref. That's gonna be a foul called on Bona Obra.
Pero maganda yung decision pick na yun na ginagawa ng Green Serpents. Kailangan na talaga nilang mag full court press.
I think, partner, no, the ACC is lacking the defense na pinakita nila nung matchup nila between the Ateneo Golden Knights. Doon na nahirapan yung Golden Knights. Oo, doon sa defense ang pinapakita ng ating Green Serpents noon. Kailangan nilang ipakita yun ngayon sa ating ball game na ito kung gusto nilang makapaghabol dito sa kanilang matchup between the Tigers.
They have to be back to their rhythm.
San Gabriel shot is good. 58-41. Llantero gets a foul there. Another foul by San Gabriel. Penalty situation here for both sides. Llantero will shoot 2 points para sa kanyang kupunan.
Shoutout sa iyo, Marvs and Lot.
Mase goes in and San Gabriel goes out para sa Tigers.
Shoutout sa iyo, April Malayaon.
Llantero now, his first shot.
No good. Shoutout sa ating 1.6 viewers sa ating Facebook pages. Maraming salamat.
1,600, grabe. Napakarami na ng tao dito pa lang sa ating Sports Palace. Ang rami na ng tao pati sa ating mga Facebook pages. 1.6K ang nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik at pagsuporta sa ating Bucal Season 4. Fast break ngayon, NCF. Layup para kay Kapitan. That's an easy 2-pointer. Llantero. Acabado now with the ball. Passes to Bona Obra for that 3-pointer. No good.
Templo Paso pang sablaon. Fix. No good. Pero doon si Templo Nuevo. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Llantero ang bola. At tatawagan ng foul doon.
Si Mase. That's gonna be a foul called on Mase. 2 shots ngayon para kay Llantero.
18-point lead ng ating NCF Tigers, mga kaibigan. 3 minutes and 27 seconds left sa ating third quarter. First shot is good. Llantero. Go ACC. Sabi ni Yet Balbastro.
Second shot by Llantero, no good. Ball possession ng ating Tigers. Mase controlling the play para sa kanyang kupunan. Guarded by Acabado. Kapitan now with the ball. Passes to Mase. Penetrates. Layup. That's swatted away by Galvez. And to give us an update on the side ng ating Tigers bench, let us call on Kim. Hi Kim, ano ang update dyan sa bench ng ating Tigers?
Si Vincent Malyapre, player number 13, matapos magkaroon ng maliit na cut ang kanyang labi caused by intense contacts and defense sa court. But according to him, kayang-kaya pa naman daw lumaban at bumalik sa ating game this afternoon. Kapansin-pansin rin kanina that he was wearing a nose protection, revealing that it is to protect his nose that suffered an injury before. Moreover, still dominating sa ating third stretch, the Tigers continue to execute hard defense at nagbibigay silang atensyon sa kanilang offensive rebounds dahil yun yung nakikita ni coach na kulang sa kanila during the first half, while putting in mind also no huwag magkakamit ng fouls. Yan muna ang latest dito. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim. And yun partner, good news para kay Vincent Malyapre. Hindi masyadong nagtamo ng major injury siya kanina. And
small cuts lang naman yung natamo ni Malyapre noon.
Napakagandang balita yun. From the side ng ating NCF Tigers.
Pero Burns, kanina may nakitang contact ang ating referee and they are reviewing it right now. So we'll just wait for their official announcement. Ayun, shoutout sa ating live audience dito sa USA Sports Palace.
Napakarami na partner. Nasa dulo na yung mga ibang manonood natin, pati dun sa mga pintana nakaupo yung ibang mga manonood natin dito.
Warning for technical for sportsmanship behavior. Number 22
Ayun na, tinawagan si Bang Sablaon for warning for unsportsmanlike behavior.
And to inbound the ball dito ang ating Tigers. Ang ganda ng pasa there by Mase to Lim, pero hindi niya na-convert yun. Bono Obra ngayon nagmamadali. Passes to Leantero. So number 19.
Pacham.
14 seconds to shoot. Pacham penetrates. Floater.
No good. Nandun si Calvez. What a recovery by Calvez.
15-point lead para sa ating NCF Tigers. Gumagapang paunti-unti ang ACC dito. 2 minutes 35 seconds remaining sa ating ballgame. Still there by Pacham. Bola ngayon ng ACC. Layup, no good para kay Llantero. Massive with the ball. Sablaon, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Mase. 14 seconds to shoot. Lim needs to make a play. 10 seconds to shoot. Mase fires a long three. That's an air ball.
Ball possession of the Green Serpents. You only have 2 minutes left. Saktong 2 minutes para sa ating third quarter with NCF. Mayroong 15-point lead. 60-45.
And ayun partner, lumabas nga kanina si Mase. Pinalitan ni Ariate dito para magpahinga ng konti. Llantero na with the ball para sa Green Serpents. Penetrates. That's gonna be a whistle called by the referee. Foul called on number 22. Penalty ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. 2 shots para kay Llantero ngayon.
Shoutout sa'yo, Alvin Hoven.
First shot is good para kay Llantero. 14-point lead na lang hawak ng ating NCF Tigers.
Second shot. No good.
That's going to be the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Timeout. NCF Tigers ang ating score 60-46 with only 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining. We are still live here at the UNC Sports Palace. Brought to you by GNTV Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
And we are back here live at the USA Sports Palace para sa ating Game 1 Championship game between the NCL Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. We only have 1 minute and 42 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 14-point lead para sa ating Tigers. Nice defense para sa ating Green Serpents. That's gonna be a turnover.
Yun ang hinahanap ko, partner. Kanina pa sa ating Green Serpents, yung double team play nila from the half court. And showing signs of life dito. Bonoobra, that layup is no good. Rebound by Masinas. Double team na pinapakita ng Green Serpents. There. Pero El Capitan with the ball para sa Tigers. Bang Sablon with the ball there. 10 seconds to shoot. Sabron passes to Templo Nuevo. Long mid-range jumper. That's good!
Nice play from the Tigers. Ball possession now of the Green Serpents. Going over now. Cross is over. Race is over. No good. Pero doon si number 19. Wala pa rin. Agawan ng bola.
And partner, gandang depensa versus gandang opensa. Panalo ang NCF doon. Pero ball possession pa rin ng ating ACC Green Serpents here as Rivera goes in for the NCF Tigers. Templo Nuevo goes out.
Shoutout sa'yo, Ian Bouvier.
50 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Sayang nun. Pero nasa kanila pa rin ang bola for the third chance opportunity. Galvez. Two-pointer.
And the last lead ng ating Green Serpents was that three-pointer there by Acabado. They still yet to get their lead dito sa third quarter. And
we only have 30 seconds left sa ating third quarter.
Liantero passes to Galvez. Fires that three-pointer. No good.
Once again, shot clock is off. 17 seconds.
17 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Ariate with the ball.
Ariate now.
10 seconds. Lim penetrates, floater, that's good, using that board to get 2 points. And that is the end of our third quarter. Ang ating score 64-48. Lamang ang NCF Tigers. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the USC Sports Palace. We will be right back.
after Marlon goes after using the block. Goes after using the block.
And we are back here live at the USC Sports Palace para sa ating Game 1 ng Championship Game ng NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. And we are down to the final quarter, Burns.
This is it, partner. The deciding quarter para sa Game 1 Championship match. NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents.
Ang mananalo dito, makakahinga ng maluwag sa Game 2.
Yes, partner. And medyo may kalamangan ng hawak ang ating NCF Tigers dito. Sa blow-under, 4-3. No good. Bola ngayon ng ACC.
Nice defense naman para sa Green Serpents.
Early substitution here para kay Coach Momo. Rivera out, Templo Nuevo in. And mahalata mo, partner, no? Wala si Acabado and Nagar, yung mga best players ng ating ACC. Kasi ang bench players ng ating Green Serpents is proving themselves dito sa ball game na ito. Same ball. That's gonna be ACC ball.
A nice rejection from Templo Nuevo doon. And to give us an update, ano ba ang magiging game plan ng ating Green Serpents para sa fourth quarter? Let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi Joyce, kamusta? Anong update sa side ng ating Green Serpents?
Russell and Joshua during the huddle. Coach George encourages the team to play inside the hardcourt with a strong heart and full of dedication. Coach George said that the boys should play with their full potential inside the hardcourt despite of the score in the scoreboard. And Coach George still persevered and dedicated to win this game because they still have time and the score is still kaya pang mahabol. Kaya naman ang talagang Green Serpent ay nalanatili na talagang dedikado para manatili pa sa laban na ito at manalo. Yan muna ang latest from this side. Back to the panel.
Thank you very much, Joyce. I would agree with you. Hanggang may oras, meron pang tsansa para mga comeback dito sa ating laban.
Yes, partner. And ayun nga, 14-point lead na lang ang hawak ng ating Tigers. That's gonna be a turnover para sa NCF. Bola ulit ng ating Green Serpents.
14-point lead. May babalang nila ang kalamangan sa single digit. May pag-asa.
Kailangan mapakita ng Green Serpents yung pinakita nila ng third quarter. Yung depensa na hinahanap ko na pinakita nila nung kalaban nila yung Ateneo, kailangan na nilang ipakita yon, ilabas na nila dito. Kung gusto nilang makapaghabol sa ball game na ito, and syempre kailangan ng NCF na hindi maging kampante sa kanilang kalamangan dito para ma-maintain nila yon.
Agree ako dyan, Burns.
And there, inbound, 19, no good. Patch up with that mid-range jumper. Nice defense there by Bonaobra.
Shoutout sa iyo, Angela Lafuente, Zachary King. Ay, Capenya.
Ariato to inbound the ball, passes to Templo Nuevo in the hands of Malyapre. Malyapre penetrates, slips. That's gonna be a turnover. Fast break ngayon ang ating Green Serpents. Number 5, that's a foul, count it! Chance to make it a 3-point play. Hyped up ang ating Green Serpents bench along with their fans. What a shot there by Bron of the Green Serpents.
nabubuhay na ang side ng Green Serpents.
Isang dosena na lang ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers.
And they have to sustain that spirit para sa ating Green Serpents.
Substitution on both sides. Bono Obra goes out at Vincula goes in. Malyape goes out. Masinas goes in for the Tigers. And here, to make his free throw, number 5.
Oh,
no good.
Ay tatawagan ng foul doon si Pacham. Papasok si Asibor. Magpapahinga muna ang ating kapitan ng NCF.
Ariate na with the ball para sa kanyang kapunan. Sangdusen ang kalamangan para sa NCF Tigers. Ariate making a play para sa kanyang team. Asks for a screen, penetrates. Bang Sablaon with that three-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound, Ariate fires that three. Still no good.
Pero ito si Bang with a third chance. Wala pa rin rebound by the Green Serpents.
Pass break, Green Serpents, Pacham.
Ayun, what a highlight play by Pacham.
10-point lead. Hawak ng ating NCF Tigers. Gumagapang ang ACC Green Serpents dito. That's gonna be a foul. Pero partner, ramdam mo ang excitement ng ACC Green Serpents doon sa play na pinakita ni Pacham. Ayan sa ating instant replay, yung fast break. Yantero with that pass to Pacham. That's a highlight play, dunk. Pero back to the ball game, Ariate with that ball penetrates, floater, no good.
Rebounded by number 5.
ACC has a chance to cut that lead to single digits. Galvez, no good. Nice defense there by the NCF Tigers. Ariate with the ball, making the play para sa kanyang kapunan. Into the hands of Toclo Nuevo. Passes to Ariate, penetrates. Passes to Asibor. Lands of Masinas.
Oh good. At Vincula now has the ball.
Fast break.
Number 5. Pass to Galvez. Galvez attacking the basket. At nakakuha pa ng foul.
Man down para sa Green Serpents. Nagka-cramps ang isang player nila.
Lantero is down.
Medics are in the scene ngayon as Liantero is still on the ground with 7 minutes and 17 seconds remaining dito sa ball game na ito.
Burns, this is their chance to cut to a single digit ang kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers pag naipasok ang dalawang free throws na ito ni Galvez.
Yes, partner, game 1 is proving to be an exciting matchup. NCF Tigers with the lead, pero slowly but surely Green Serpents are crawling their way to bounce back dito sa ating fourth quarter. And to give us an update kung ano ang kaganapan sa ating Tigers bench, let's call on our courtside reporter, Kim. Hi, Kim.
Yes, Joshua and Russell, ayokong maulit yung fourth quarter natin against Shepherdville. Coach Momo asserted while referring to the recently concluded semifinal game. The Tigers were reminded to be cautious kung mayroong mismatch na play. Buuin yung atake at isipin na kalaban ang lamang. Dagdag pa ni Coach Momo, the Tigers need to understand that despite the lead and unless the final buzzer sounded, they need to endure the trapping defense at set play na itinatapon ng ACC Green Serpents considering na nakakahabol na ngayon ang kalaban. Yan mo lang latest dito. Back to you, Russell.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Kim. And
nice
yun nga, partner
yun, no? Kasi last semifinals game, naging close fight rin yung laban ng NCF sa Shepherdville College.
talagang pumutok yung laban ng pumutok yung laro ng ating Shepherdville Rams nung 4th quarter. Pero ayan nga,
naulit rin.
Let's not make history repeat itself dito. Pero syempre, may pinaglalaban din ng ACC dito sa labanang ito. First shot, no good para kaya Galvez. Last shot niya to cut the lead to single digits para sa ating NCF Tigers.
Second throw for Galvez. Ayun na nga! They cut the lead into a single digit.
Andito na tayo, partner, sa exciting part as Sablaon gets that inbound. Going into the half court. Now Asibor with the ball, making a play para sa kanyang team. Katamora loses that ball pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee.
Sayang nun.
Foul called on Galvez, number 0. That's gonna be his 4th foul. Warning for exclusion into the game dito. Lim to Asibor.
Asibor now has the ball.
10 seconds to shoot para kay Asibor. Crossing over his defender. Passes to the inside man. Templo Nuevo almost losing that ball. Penetrates. Layup. No good. Sablaon put back. Good. Sablaon making it a 2-point double-digit lead para sa kanyang team. Beautiful second chance over there by Bang Sablaon.
Advíncula now.
Patcham to Galvez.
Galvez!
Reverse layup. Oh!
Ayang nun, pero andun!
Back there.
Patcham!
Unforced error there by Galvez, pero put back by Patcham. Cutting it to single digits again. Templo Nuevo. Passes to Katamora. That's a foul. 2 shots ngayon para sa Tigers. Substitution.
Papasok na si Arenzana and Ariate.
Asibor and Templo Nuevo goes out.
Katamora, no good for his first throw. Shoutout sa'yo. John, di mabasa.
Second shot there by Katamora is no good. Single digit lead pa rin. Hawak ng ating NCF Tigers as Advíncula fires at 3. No good. Offensive rebound ng Abado. Sidestep 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Plus a foul.
Plus a foul. Number 5 on the Green Serpents.
Galvez, ang ganda ng laro na pinapakita dito sa Game 1.
Woo! What a game!
Chance to make it a 3-point play. 1 free throw. Number 5. To make it a 6-point lead na lang para sa Tigers. Layup no good. Stepping on the line, unforced error para sa NCF. Bola ngayon ng ACC.
And we have a timeout called by the NCF Tigers. You only have 5 minutes and 41 seconds left sa ating 4th and final quarter. 59-66. Konti na lang ang inahabol ng ating Green Serpents. We are live here at the UNC Sports Palace for the Bucal's Game 1 Finals between the Green Serpents and the Tigers. Dito lang po kayo, tutok lang sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
We are back live here at the UNC Sports Palace for your Bucal Season 4 Game 1 Championship match between the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. 7-point lead, kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers as ACC slowly but surely crawling back dito sa ating ballgame partner. Nandito na tayo sa exciting part. 5 minutes, 41 seconds remaining. Number 5, back to Galvez. Layup is good!
Yan, Galvez!
5-point lead!
5-point lead!
Hawak ng NCF dito. Ariate now with the ball, guarded by number 5.
5 minutes and 21 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter.
May foul na nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Galvez.
And they are both in the penalty situation.
Two shots dito para kay Lim. And to give us an update dito sa timeout na tinawag ni Coach Momo, let us call on our courtside reporter Kim. Hi Kim, ano ang update para kay Coach Momo?
Yes, Joshua and Russell, during the quick timeout, Coach Momo reminded the boys na ang kulang sa kanila ngayon ay ang kanilang box-out defense. Rason kung bakit nakakahabol na ang kabilang kupanan. Kaya naman, Coach reminded the boys na huwag pagpakukumpiyansa, huwag magre-relax and stay composed. They only need to endure ilang minuto na lang sa ating fourth stretch para ma-secure ang kanilang first win dito sa ating championship round. Back to you, Joshua.
Maraming salamat Kim sa update mo. And ayun nga partner, box out ang kailangan nilang ipakita dito as Lim gets that second free throw in. 7-point lead balik sa ating NCF Tigers. Natapik ngayon ni Ariate but still mapupunta sa ating ACC. And partner, yung reminder ni Coach Momo na huwag masyadong maging kampante sa kalamangan nila is proving na nawawala. Nagre-relax ang team ngayon ni Coach Momo NCF Tigers kaya nakakapaghabol talaga ang ACC. Pero syempre, grabe yung dedikasyon na pinapakita ngayon ng Green Serpents.
Grabe, from 18-point lead.
Layup ni Acabado is no good. Ariate ngayon. That's good! Napakagandang spin move ni Ariate there. Penetrating the defense of Green Serpents. And now, stepping into the line dito si Arenzana. Bola ng ACC. 9-point lead balik sa NCF Tigers.
Ball possession of the Green Serpents. Shoutout sa iyo, Kuya Gerald Bermejo. And Jazzy Kirk Hana, sorry.
14-second shot clock.
Inbound play. At Vincula, 4-3. No good, pero si number 5. What a recovery by number 5.
7-point lead. El Capitan loses that ball and a foul.
Ang itatawag doon, kinumber 27 ng ating Tigers.
Penalty ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. 2 shots ngayon para kay Bron.
A chance to cut the lead into 5.
Bad foul there by Katamora.
Number 15, Bron. No good, first throw.
Bron now in the charity stripe to make his free throws.
2,300 na ang ating viewers, Birds.
No good sa second shot dito. 7-point lead pa rin ang hawak ng ating NCF Tigers as Katamora.
Nice.
Gets that ball stolen. But stolen again by Sablaon.
Sablaon is good.
9-point lead. 3-pointer, no good. Sablaon penetrates. That's a block.
Rejection
over.
Green Serpents. Number 5 now. Wala. Nine-point lead para sa ating Tigers. At nakatayo na ang ating fans.
Lim penetrates, layup. It's good. Back to double-digit lead. NCF Tigers. 11-point lead ang NCF Tigers ngayon.
What a run by the Tigers.
Acabado. Bunaobra fires that 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Bron. Passes to Bunaobra. Back to single digits. 3 minutes remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Ariate, double team ng Green Serpents. Penetrates. Passes. Sablaon with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot.
Only have 3 minutes to play.
Sablaon penetrates, layup na tapik. That's a block.
Ball possession of the Green Serpents.
Substitution, Pacham goes in. Bron goes out. Malyapre goes in. Katamora goes out. Sablaon. Sablaon goes out in replace of Malyapre. At Vincula to inbound the ball. Papasok ulit si Bron, lalabas at Vincula.
2 minutes and 41 seconds left. Mga kaibigan, tutok lang.
Full court man-to-man ang depensa ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers as Bonaobra goes to the half court. Crossing over El Capitan. Bonaobra penetrates, layup, no good. Malyapre with the rebound. Into the hands of Lim, passes to Malyapre.
Malyapre now is just killing the time.
Lim with the ball. 2 minutes, 17 seconds remaining. Lim penetrates. Layup. That's good!
El Capitan!
Double-digit lead. Bonaobra.
Nice steal!
Steal there by Malyapre. That's a goal! 14-point lead.
Grabe yun!
Time out! Green Serpents! Grabe yung bounce back ng NCF Tigers dito! Woo! Nice transition of offense there na pinapakita ng ating NCF Tigers.
Pinapakita ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers.
Partner, crowd on their feet dito sa NCF Tigers fans. Excited na sila dito, lalong-lalo na double-digit lead na naman ang kalamangan ng Tigers.
Sabi ng NCF Tigers, kami pa rin ang hari ng Bucal!
Grabe! Ang defending champions when it comes to crunch time.
What a run! Pero huwag din natin kalimutan ang effort na pinapakita ng ACC.
Woo! Grabe, partner! Nakatayo pa rin ang NCF Tigers fans as we go back to the ball game, pero not losing hope pa rin ang ACC Green Serpents fans. Nakatayo na din sila, praying and hoping for a miracle dito para sa Green Serpents.
Yes. And to give us a quick update, ano ba ang nangyari? Ano ba ang adjustment ni Coach George para sa Green Serpents? Let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi, Joyce. Kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Russell and Joshua, dribble, drive, and transition play. Yan na lang ang instructions sa natitirang minutes ni Coach George para sa ACC Green Serpents. Yan muna, latest from this side. Back to the panel.
Thank you very much, Joyce. Yun na nga, fast break and dribble drive na lang ang offense na mapapakita sa atin ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Another 2 points from number 15.
Bron there with a 2-pointer. A minute and 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating quarter. Almost a steal there. Arenzana with the ball. Passes to Ariate, trying to kill the time there. Ariate crossing over his defender. Penetrates. Passes to the outside man. Lim. Floater. No good.
Rebounded by Bron.
Bron passes to Pacham. Now to Bonaobra. Crowd on their feet as Acabado with the ball there penetrates. Layup, it's good, and it's a foul!
Acabado!
Single-digit lead na naman ng NCF Tigers. Hindi pa rin sumusuko ang ating ACC Green Serpents.
Yan ang dugong Albayano. Uragon!
Acabado here for his third point. Completes the 3-point play. 1 minute remaining dito sa ball game. 8-point lead.
Malyapre now. Heavily guarded by Acabado. Seconds to play.
Ariate taking his time with the ball. 45 seconds remaining. Penetrates, passes to Malyapre. Pump fake, may sumabay na isa. Floater. It's good! Back to 10 points. 35 seconds remaining. Bonaobra nagmamadali. 3-pointer. No good.
Malyapre now gets the rebound. Ariarte.
I think that's it, partner. Ariate taking his time again. Clutch 2-pointer by Malyapre there. 17 seconds left. Lim! That's good! Isang dosenang kalamangan! That's gonna be it! Clutch play there by El Capitan. 3 seconds. Bron, may foul pang nakita ang ating ref with 60 milliseconds left dito sa ating ball game. Nakatayo na ang NCF Tigers fans doon sa clutch layup ni Malyapre and El Capitan Alexander Lim.
Nakatayo na ang mga Tigre.
First shot, no good para kay Bron. Lumabas na ang mascot ng NCF Tigers. Mapupunta sa kanila ang Game 1. Tuwang-tuwa si Coach Momo as he goes to Coach George versus. And that is it para sa Game 1. Final score, 82-71. Winner, NCF Tigers!
Congratulations sa ating NCF Tigers and of course sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Napakagandang laro ang ipinakita sa atin na Green Serpents.
Grabe partner, nakakatindig balahibo yung larong yun.
Yes.
Napaka-exciting na pinakitang laban ng ating ACC Green Serpents, pero panalo ang ating NCF Tigers. Magbabalik tayo para sa Game 2. Makakapag-bounce back ba ang ating ACC Green Serpents, or will NCF Tigers defend their title for the 4th time? Pero partner, we will go on a commercial break, and sa pagbabalik natin, tatawagin natin ang ating best player of the game. This is Bucal, Season 4, live at the UNC Sports Palace. Magbabalik po kami.
And we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace. At yun na nga, nanaig ang NCF Tigers sa ating Game 1.
Grabe, napaka-intense nung matchup na pinakita ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. And ayan nga, partner, nandyan yung mascot ng ating NCF Tigers. Pero syempre, kasama na ngayon ni Kim, ang ating best player of the game. Syempre, the best player of the game is brought to you by NCF Wings. Kung gusto nyo mag-aaral as a flight attendant, enroll now at NCF. And tawagin na natin ngayon ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim, pakilala mo na ang ating best player of the game.
Yes, Joshua and Russell, the NCF Tigers reign supreme here in Bucal Season 4 as they secure their first win record sa ating championship round. And of course, a victorious evening for our best player of the game. For the second time, we have player number 5 from NCF Tigers, Alexander Lim, with 18 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, and 4 steals. All right. Cup Alec, good evening. Congratulations for securing their first win sa ating championship round and you being hailed as the best player of the game. Cup Alec, it was a collective effort but you were one of the players that largely contributed for this win. Just talk about your eagerness with your performance kanina to secure this win, lalo na nung second half, Cup.
Siguro po nakuha namin po yung panalo namin dahil din po sa effort ng yun talaga ang kinalapasan ng laro namin is yung manalo kami, which is nanggaling kami sa defense talaga namin.
I couldn't agree enough dahil kitang-kita naman talaga sa performance nyo kanina. And we spoke about this earlier. Sabi mo, Cap, even though you are the team captain, everyone in the team can be a leader. And ano ba ka-importante yung ganong connection and trust to secure every win dito sa PAL?
Siguro po napaka-importante yung factor yun sa isang team na bawat isa pwede maging leader kasi tinitiwalaan mo yung lahat nakakampi mo kasi di lang nagbabase sa isang tao kundi sa lahat talaga.
Cap, sa Game 2, ano bang pwede nating abangan sa NCF Tigers?
Siguro po yung laro namin ngayon, medyo nag-collapse kami sa second half kasi nahabol kami. Siguro yung mga lapses po namin pagtatrabuhan namin ulit sa training para makuha namin yung championship. Di pa pwede mag-enjoy kasi may game 1 ay may game 2 pa po.
Cap Alex, shout out ka naman sa iyong fans, supporters na nanonood right now.
Una-una po nagpapasalamat po kami sa buong NCF community, lalong-lalo kay Sir Mario Villanueva and syempre sa parents ko na nanonood and kay ate na nasa Manila and sa crush ko.
Alright, that's it. Our best player of the game, Alexander Lim from NCF Tigers. We'll see you on the next game. Thank you so much, Cap. And this has been Kimberly Dialanes, your courtside reporter for the NCF Tigers, only here on Bucal Season 4 live on GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Lim and congratulations para kay El Kapitan Alexander Lim with 18 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, and 4 steals. Making that clutch 2-pointer to secure their win dito sa Game 1 ng ating finals match between the NCF Tigers and the ACC Green Serpents.
Siya yung naging savior ng ating NCF Tigers. Once again, congratulations sa ating NCF Tigers and abangan natin ang pagbabalik ng Green Serpents para sa Game 2.
And syempre partner, pasalamatan natin ang lahat ng ating mga sponsors, lahat ng mga nanood sa ating live dito sa UNC Sports Palace, ating mga Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik at pagsuporta ng Bucal Season 4.
At ayun, maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa amin. Ako po muli, si John Russell A. Seniora at kasama ko si David Joshua Bernales. At abangan nyo po kami sa susunod at sa Game 2 ng ating championship game between the NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.